Hello everybody, this is Mr. Butch from the Moore Branch Library, and I'm going to show you how to make a time capsule. Now on our website, it tells you what you need. You need some string, a water bottle, a piece of paper, preferably colored, some things to write on a regular sheet of paper, and a thin piece of paper that has time capsule written on it, name, date sealed, date to be opened on it. So this is just a plain water bottle. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our piece of paper, and I'm going to draw around my hand. All right. Then I answer these questions. It says, about me. And it says, favorite color. That's easy for me. My favorite color is blue. My favorite book, anybody that knows me knows that my favorite book is Harry Potter. My favorite TV show would have to be, let's see, there's quite a few I like, but let's say The Big Bang Theory. Favorite sports team would be the Atlanta Braves. So I fill this in. By 2025, which is the date we want to open this, so on our small sheet of paper, date to be opened, we put 1-1-2025. Name, Mr. Butch. And the date I'm sealing it is going to be 12-31-2020. By 2025, I really want to have completed, what do I remember? My house remodel, trip to Spain, and I think that's what I'm going to put on mine. So this is how I filled out my About Me form, just on a regular sheet of paper. We take our string, and we measure how tall we are. It's easier if you have someone to help you. I'm going to mark this. Once I've marked it, I'm going to cut on that mark. So when I look back at this, this is how tall I was. I doubt if I'll grow, but I bet a bunch of you will grow. So we're going to take our handprint and our About Me, And we're going to roll it up real small. And we're going, well, I didn't make it small enough. Hold on. Roll it up real small and stick it into our time capsule. Now I'm also going to stick the string down on the inside and close it up. We're going to take our strip that has our name and when it was sealed and when we're going to open it. And we're going to tape it to the outside. Now you have your time capsule that you can put away, and in 4 years you can see how much you've grown by putting your hand in this hand you drew, by seeing if you're any taller because of your measure, and see if any of the other things, maybe a new TV show has come out or something. So, as it gets time for us to welcome in the new year, let's get our time capsules ready.